Sabona, ngiyakwamukela njalo ku speakindebele.com igama lami nguNtando. That's another very big hello and welcome to speakindebele.com. My name is Ntando. Right, now we continue to be excited to be presenting to you for the very first time ever on the internet Ndebele folk tales. Forget about Cinderella. Forget about Sleeping Beauty. Forget about Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs. Because right here at speakindebele.com, we are bringing you authentic African Zimbabwean Ndebele folk tales. And they're being read to us by our very own Gogo. That's our very own grandmother, uGogo Makhalisa. And she'll be telling us these folk tales, and we hope that you will join us as she gathers you, all her grandchildren, not around her feet, but around your computer screens to be able to tell you these wonderful stories. So don't miss out in the coming weeks because we've got lots more of these to come. But today, Gogo is going to be telling us about Umvundla Lontelecha. That's the hare and the rabbit. Okay, now this story is fantastic. It's particularly famous. If you ask your parents or the older generation, they'll tell you that this is a good one. So tune in to Gogo as she tells us the story. So over to you, Gogo. Sikhona, sesilalele. We're here and we're ready and we're listening. Siyethele inganekwane yanamhla. Tell us today's story.
Bazukulu bami ngizalethela ke enye inganekwane ekhuluma futhi ngomvundla lontelecha. Umvundla phela vele ngumuntu othanda ukuhlukuluza abanye. Kuhlakaniphile kuyinyamazana lokhu. Nxa likukhangelelani liyakubona nje ukuthi kusile kakusikho kuhlakanipha ikusasibili. Umvundla lontelecha kudala babethandana labo bephila bonke. Kwase kuthi ngenye imini umvundla wathi Ntelecha, ngcono siphekane mngane wami. uNtelecha wathi siphekane? Njani sizakutsha? Wathi hayi, asithi sizabe siphuma singakachi ukwenzela nje ukuthi sidlale silibazise ilanga lichone. Singazanga siye kuona emasimini abantu kasidlali. Bavumelana ke, uNtelecha wavuma. Bathatha inkuni bawubasa umlilo, bathatha inkalakatha yebhodo bayibeka eziko, bayithela kamanzi. Kwase usithe kumahlakanipheni, ngizaqala mina Ntelecha ukungena. Ungezwa sensithi Ntelecha ngikhupha, ungikhuphe. Bavumelana. Kwangena okumvundla emanzini. Amanzi angithi asaqanda, umlilo ngikhona ubasiweyo. Kwangena kwahlala isikhatshanyana kwathi Ntelecha ngikhupha. uNtelecha wavula isivalo wamkhupha. Ngena ke lawe Ntelecha. Wangena uNtelecha laye ke hayi amanzi kawakatshisi kakhulu, asakhudumala nje. Wahlala kancinyane. Mvundla ngikhupha. Esesizwa ngathi asekhudumala, umvundla wamkhupha. Kwabuyelo kumahlakanipheni. Khathesi asekhudumala sivile. Kwahlala isikhathi esifitshane kulesa kuqala. Ntelecha ngikhupha. Wamkhupha. Esekukhuphile umvundla, sekungokwesibili ukuthi kungene phakathi kukhutshwe. Sekungena uNtelecha laye sengena kwesibili manje. Wabe sibekela umvundla. Umlilo sumnengi. Amanzi asetshisa. Nanku amanzi asebila. uNtelecha sebeyathe mvundla ngikhupha. Okumvundla kubamba isivalo sebhodo. Mvundla ngikhupha. Kube kubandezela ukuthi tshana nyamazana yami. Mvundla ngikhupha. Tshana nyamazana yami. Mvundla ngikhupha. Sensitsha mvundla ngikhupha. Tshana nyamazana yami. Waze wathula uNtelecha ukukhuluma kade usefile. Sesala yena lokho ethi tshana nyamazana yami. Waze waba leqiniso ukuthi khathesi usevuthiwe. Wavuthwa uNtelecha wathi busu. Awu, inyama yonke isisehlukana lamathambo phakathi kwebhodo. Awu, umvundla wangikhona esezavula idekiselo sebhodo ebeka phansi. Abese ezama ukuthi ayidonse ibhodo ayidonsele eceleni ukwenzela ukuthi akhuphe amathambo kaNteleja. Ayidonse ibhodo ikhanye inzima iyamehlula. Adinga isigodo ukuthi akhuphe amathambo ebhodweni ehluleke kuyamehlula. Wasesunduza ibhodo liyana yasiqethuka ibhodo yawela phansi. Amathambo lenyama kaNteleja kwachithekela phansi. Vele amathambo sehlukene lenyama sokunzima. Umvundla wabe dobha elinye ithambo wathi aleli yilo elizaba impembe yami ngiyathaba kakhulu. Walidobha ithambo leliyana. Lokhuyana okunye imbiza lenyama lamanye amathambo okumvundla kwachiya khonapho kwakuthatha ithambo leliyana. Nanko kuhamba lalo kufika kwenye indawo kuligqula kulephula phakathi kulibhoboza uthi kwephule ngapha angithi phakathi sekubhobokile kubuye kwephule ngapha kubona ukuthi hawu selibhobokile sibili sekuyimpembe bese kuhamba kuye lapha duzane lapha inyamazana ezinatha khona zazibuthana ngezikhathi ezithile zisiyanatha amanzi. Lapho kulamanzi khona esizibeni esikhulu esinye esaseduzane khonapho kufike khonapho kumvundla. Sekuzihlalela khatshana laphana kuthatha ithambo lakho sekulikhalisa. Ferere kumfe sasiphekana labo Nteleja uNteleja wavuthwa mina ngaphuma. Ferere kumfe sasiphekana labo Nteleja amagubho layiphi. Inyamazana zizwe kathi lokho kuyini baqhwebane akelilalele lokho okwenzakalayo. Ferere kufe sasiphekana labo Nteleja uNteleja wavuthwa mina ngaphuma amagubho layiphi. Bathi bantu liyezwa nje uNteleja kuthiwa waphekwa wavuthwa. Lokho ukukhalisa impembe lokhu kungapi babe sebekuthalaza bekudinga baze bakubona ukuthi nanku yana ngokumvundla. Babe sebevumelana ukuthi asikubambeni sikuchaye babuye bathi hayi asisondelene eduze sikubuze kuhle ukuthi kanti kuthini. Mvundla uthini? Bathi nxa bethi ezinye inyamazana ziyasondela eduze lakho kuchede. Zithi ziyasondela kuchede. Babe sebebuza bekhatshana bethi kanti uthini? Athi lalela nini. Ferere kumfe sasiphekana labo Nteleja uNteleja wavuthwa mina ngaphuma amagubho layiphi. Inyamazana zazonda zathi kumvundla ukuthi wabulala uNteleja wampheka hatshi kasimchayeni zamsukela umvundla zixotshana laye zamsukela zaxotshana laye. Manje kungaficwa ngubani okumvundla okumahlakanipheni kwabaleka kwanyamalala kwabaye kuphela kwayo inganekwane kaMvundla loNteleja. Nanzelelanini bazulu amaqili abanjengomvundla asazi.
Wow, that was a lot of fun, wasn't it? Gogo siyalibonga emoyo emakhalisa lakusasa lingadinwa. That's our way in Ndebele of saying thank you so much to Gogo Makhalisa. Right, well, we hope that you will join us again next time for another wonderful Ndebele folk tale. Right here at speakndebele.com. Don't forget to friend us on Facebook. We want to be your friend. We want to hear from you, have your say on our wall, and subscribe to us right here on YouTube. And make sure that you get updates every time we upload a new lesson or another folk tale. All right, it's time for me to say goodbye. Salani kuhle, yimi untando. Later.